just under here, and we're in a tree. I'll show you guys 1 second. Let me put my Rubik's Cube down. We're in a tree. My cousin is down there, and my sister's down there. But, you know, we're in a freaking tree. So, we're going to see my Rubik's Cube can survive. My Rubik's Cube can survive a normal fall, but can it survive a fall from a tree? We're going to test it. You ready? Oh! It survived! Yes. Katie, I need that. She tried throwing it at me. Don't throw it at me. Meanie. Hey! Come on, Katie, keep trying. You can do it. It fell. It hit my tablet and fell. Oh! Oh, yay! She got it up here. Now we're going to try and throw it in the rock. Did it break? Did anything break? No, this is missing. Wait, let me zoom in. What? The heck? What the heck? Good job, Katie. Hey. She got it up here first try. She's on her lion statue. Can it survive one more fall? Yay. That. Okay. Next time I will. Okay. Savannah, get down. Get down. I'm trying to record. Recording is in progress. Good job. In the recording? Oh. Full force. Oh, crap. Katie, get that orange. It broke. I'll go down here and show you guys. Oh, it easily could have been good. It's okay. Wait, so we can put it back? Yeah. Don't put it back. Keep it on. That's how people do it. Katie. Katie, keep it on. Keep it, figure out the trick. Keep it off. Let me see it. All the orange on one side, they take off the blue. Let me see it. I wonder if they do that. Let me see. Look at guys. We broke the freaking orange off. Yeah, the piece. And it just snaps on. Oh my god. And it looks like it never even happened. I need it to break again. How are we gonna take it off? Break it. Take it off again. Okay? Yeah. It didn't work. No. Oh my gosh, it did. It did? It broke. Look. Oh, she broke the whole thing. You moved it first. Look at this, guys. Look, it's all... It won't line up now. What? Yes, it will. It will, but it looks so weird. What the? We completely broke my Rubik's Cube. Oh, officially broken. Are you happy? Yeah. Because that you stuff up here. This is what the freaking recording was about. Yeah, I can hear. I have a new camera woman. Cameraman, camera woman. I'll be a camera. Let's try and solve the side with it broken. I'll be a camera. I'll be a camera. Wow. Really get throwing dirt. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try and break it more. Come on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. My camera shut off. It's gonna say like 1, 2, 3 of this is gonna be, and that's gonna be this. In the corner. You're a bad camera. Wait, it fixed. It got fixed. It fixed? Let's see. No, it didn't. A piece came off.
Yeah, 2 pieces came off. 2 yellows, guys. We did it.
Oh, in the same spot. No, guys, don't put them back on. Just keep throwing it. See if we can get them all off.
This is what happens to you, stupid Rubik's Cube.
Mom,
This is for a good cause. If you watch this, Mom, I'm doing this for a good cause. YouTube. If you want me to be famous in my
Oh my god!
It just rolled and exploded.
Oh my god!
Yes, get that. Oh my god. I'm gonna grab the pieces, guys.
Oh my gosh!
They exploded the whole thing. No, Savannah, stop. Give me them. Give me them. Here. Oh my god. Look. There's like... Come on. Here. Come on. Set them over here. Look. There's like... This one piece is like freaking crazy. I'm dropping pieces. There's like freaking crazy. Look. Put them in the pile. That's crazy. It just like rolled. I hope I caught that.
I know, right? It
Like,
just rolled over there and
just
exploded.
rolled
And like
rolled
it,
and exploded.
it was like all together, and then it rolled and just went and exploded. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed this if you enjoyed this video of destroying
Oh my gosh,
Rubik's
look,
Cube, you can put it back together. Look, I think you have to like. Look, I put it together. I think you have to. That's crazy.
Okay, well, guys, we just broke a Rubik's Cube. Are you happy? Just kidding.
It's like these two
Like,
pieces came off. Like these two pieces just came off, and then like boom.
like, subscribe, kitty, recording thing.
Like,
Subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed. Give us suggestions. I need suggestions. I'm gonna quit trying to spell
tell them to comment down below for your next video.
Yeah, I need suggestions for the next video. But anyway,
It's like really zoomed into your face. It's like I zoomed it into your face.
Okay, I'll zoom it. Katie, when I say peace, you end it. Ready?